Why doesn't he want to do? Did he die or not die?
Why doesn't he?
No! Go out! I'm watching it! Oh! Fuck! No! No!
Did you think of me?
Can you please? I don't want to watch you throw up.
He's chopping his nuts up! He's playing with his sack with an axe!
Stop.
Guys,
If you throw up, I'm gonna throw up. So don't watch it.
Oh, what the fuck? Why would you watch that? You're not gonna sleep at night, dude.
I'm not gonna be able to sleep.
Grace crossing his legs.
That is so wrong. That is so wrong, dude.
And then, like, once it's off, it packs it up, right?
So
You, like, pack
many
it up?
levels. You don't even know what it wasn't cutting his dick off. He like ties it up and like snaps it around a little bit, and then like chops it with an axe. And then starts stabbing around with an axe.